Today I'll be teaching you guys how you guys can fix login or password is invalid error in Discord. Now most of the time this problem is caused when you enter a wrong email or wrong password. So check if the password and email you entered is correct. And if the detail you entered is correct and you're still facing the problem, what you can do is check your Wi-Fi, because sometimes due to slow Wi-Fi as well it causes the problem. And even after checking your Wi-Fi, if it's still not fixed, what you can do is this. Just close your Discord and delete your Discord app and re-download it again. Sometimes a bug causes the problem and deleting and reinstalling your Discord app should fix the issue. And if doing that also didn't fix it, what you can do is click on forgot your password. Once you click on forgot your password, it is going to help you recover your password by sending a recovery code on your email or phone number, whichever thing you used when you created your Discord account. Once you do that, you can enter a new password. Once you enter a new password for your Discord account, try logging into your Discord account again with the new password. You should be able to log in into your account. So that's how we guys can fix login or password is invalid error in Discord. So if you guys found our video helpful, hit the subscribe to our channel how to guide for future videos like this. I'll see you guys in my next video.